Hello and welcome to day 2 of the 5 days of Restmas. Today we're going to be making a heart bed in preparation for Reclining Rest Pose. So I'm using 2 pillows. You could easily use a yoga bolster or just grab a couple of couch cushions. And then I have a blanket rolled up to place underneath my knees, or again you could use another pillow or some cushions to support the legs. Let's begin with a little movement to get into our bodies. So please find a comfortable, easy sitting pose. Bringing the palms together at the heart. Finding a little lift of your heart, easy posture. Together, breathing in through the nose. And out with a long, soft sigh. Again, breathing in. And on this exhale, rounding through the back, press the hands forward. On your next inhalation, reach for the sky. Stretching the arms up. And exhale, sweep them out and around. Hands reconnect at the heart. This is a little moving meditation. So again, breathing in. Exhale, rounding back as you press the palms forward, opening across the whole back body. Taking the length of your next inhale to reach for the sky. And exhale, sweep the arms out and around. Now continue just a few more times through. Feeling a deeper connection between your movement and your breath. You can close the eyes if you wish. Changing the dynamics as you bring your awareness inside the movement. How does it feel to move from the inside out? And as we come back to center, palms to the heart, pause. Enjoying the stillness after the movement as you release hands to the knees. Beautiful. So let's turn with our back to our cushions. Go ahead and slide your blanket underneath your knees. We're going to keep the knees bent for right now and the feet on the floor. So you want to make sure that your cushions are not too high up the back. So I'm bringing them right to my lower back. And gently lower yourself over them, and just make sure if you have a longer torso that your head is not hanging off the top edge. So you might need a little extra cushion under the head if you have one of those longer bodies. Allow your arms to stretch out to the sides, palms face up. And just take a nice cleansing breath here as you allow your body to gently nestle down into your cushions. It might feel nice to roll the head side to side, massaging the back of the head and the neck. And you're looking for the factor. So you know you're in the right place if your body says, And if not, feel free to noodle around and adjust your cushions so that it feels most comfortable for you. As you're ready, begin to extend your legs out and just let them fall naturally open. So it sort of feels like you're floating down a lazy river here. Closing the eyes or just softening your gaze. Allow the corners of the eyes to relax. And allow your awareness and your inner gaze to drift down to the heart center, the middle of your chest. Just noticing the soft rise and fall of your breath here. Allow any tightness through the upper body to drift away, melt away with each exhale. And allow your awareness to soften downwards towards the solar plexus now. That area just below the rib cage and just above the navel. Breathing into the solar plexus, allowing the diaphragm to relax. And allowing your awareness to drift all the way down into your belly. Feeling the soft rise and fall of your breath here. Breathing into the space between your navel and your spine. And just take your time as you allow everything to sink and settle in. Releasing the events of your day. Just know that all of your doing is done for the next little while. Begin to notice the soft rise and fall of your breath again deep within your belly. And feel the movement of your breath massaging through your inner body. And perhaps there's room to slow your breathing down just a little bit more. Begin to feel your next breath rising up out of your belly as you inhale all the way up into the heart. Breath opening across the upper body. And exhaling from the heart all the way back down to the belly. Again, just imagining this soothing, calming, wave-like movement of your breath. Inhaling from belly to heart. And exhaling from heart to belly. As you stay with this for just a few more moments, allow this peaceful, calming energy to flow deeper through you. And after your next exhalation, bring your hands just above your belly. They can hover just above you or rest onto your belly. Yogi's choice. On your next inhalation, feel the arms, the hands, just tracing the breath from the belly up, sweeping up towards the heart. Continue sweeping the arms up overhead. And exhale out and around. The hands will come back to the belly. Inhaling, sweeping the arms up the midline, through the heart and up overhead. And exhale, sweeping out and around. Feeling a brief pause, a moment of stillness at the end of the exhale as the hands return to the belly. And then that next wave of breath flows in and up as the arms sweep up. Exhale out and around. And again, just continuing at your own pace for just a few more repetitions. Feel as if you could send this calming, soothing energy of your breath out around your whole body. Encircling you in a cloud of relaxation. Last time through. And again, as the arms sweep around, allow them to rest comfortably out to the sides, palms face up. Just letting the weight of the arms be carried lovingly by the ground. Feel your whole body, your whole being just resting deeply here for a few moments more. Feel free to stay here resting for as long as you wish. Or if you're ready to come back with me now, begin to find a little wiggle and stretch through your fingers and your toes again. Perhaps rolling through the wrists and ankles. And begin to slide the feet back onto the floor. Moving mindfully through our transitions, take your time as you roll all the way over onto your side. So rolling off of your cushions and onto your side, curling up into a comfy, cozy little ball. Resting here for a moment. And feel as though you could bring this blanket of relaxation with you. And it stays with you as you take your time, coming back up to a comfortable seat. Beautiful. Placing one hand over the heart center, one hand over your belly. Just reconnecting for a moment. Body, mind, and breath. Reconnecting into this present moment. Calming, smiling, present moment, only moment. Thank you so much for joining me today. Namaste.